How to make China in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to bring earth on your board. After that bring wind to it and you would be able to create dust. Now you need to bring water on it and it will create mud for you. Now after that bring fire on it and it will create brick for you. After that you need to bring earth on the board and after that bring another earth on top of it and it will create mountain for you. Now you need to drag mountain on it, so we will bring mountain on it and it will create mountain range. After that on this mountain range we need to bring brick and it will create Great Wall of China. After that we need to bring water on top of it and it will create China for us, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.